go. Where are we?
So right now we just stumbled upon Obama Mania.
Okay.
Let's take a gander. I want to talk about this one real quick.
Okay, follow you. I didn't see that.
Yeah.
I like it.
And then let's go
Lame.
this way.
Okay. Shut up.
Obama champagne, only $195.
Is it really? It better be Don P.
Is so. I mean, I'm
And then
pretty sure when
there's
Bush came in
everything.
office, the same thing happened too.
I don't know. There's all kinds of like barware and there's pins and pens and
Really, just unlike anything I've ever seen.
yeah. Well,
And let's get your thoughts.
Oh, okay. Hey, I feel compelled to buy something, but I don't think I will. Maybe I should get my mom something. I'll get her something else.
Yeah, get something that's fair
Not-
trade, because I'm pretty sure none of this is.
Excuse me, this is fair trade.
They're gonna close soon, and I just found out where a liquor store is.
that's good.
Are you
That's
a good note to end it
on video.
Can you send that one to my mom?
Yeah, and cut.